Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you my Nadine West. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription, and I've seen people get anywhere from 6 items to all the way up to 14, 15 items. And you just keep what you want, send back what you don't. It costs a little under $10 a month, and what they do is that money will get applied to anything that you do choose to purchase in your bag. And what else? Guess that's about it. It's very straightforward, very easy. You can ship these right from your door, or you can take them to UPS. Either way, very simple. Comes with a free shipping label. All right, let me show you what I got. I'm going to go over the prices with you, and then I'm going to do a try on. All right, I want to show you also these earrings that I'm wearing. These are from a company called NEXTEARRINGS, and I just did a very short video on this company, but I do want to show, I don't get any commission or anything from this company. I'm just showing these to you. So the link to this company will be in my description box, as well as Nadine West. All right. So let's start. Let me show you what Nadine West sent to me this time, if I can talk. I just got back from a cruise, you guys, and I'm just still mentally on the cruise, I guess. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you what I received. I'm looking at the label here. See if I can make heads or tails out of the prices on here and what everything is called. Okay. All right, so my first burrito here, right here. Let's check it out. I always get so excited when Nadine West comes. All right, so the first thing that I received are these pants here. They are by New Mix, and they are a very nice pair of, it looks like kind of like dress pants because they do have the pockets in the back. They're black, and the pockets in the front. They are straight leg all the way down, which is how I like it. I did, in my profile, I did say, I don't like any flares or wide leg. So far, so good. I am an influencer for Nadine West, meaning that I get these free in exchange for these videos, in my opinion. But, I don't know if they're going to be sending me things to show you like everything that they offer, or if they're going to go exactly by my profile. I'm still not clear, and I don't know why I keep choking up. But anyway, so these are by New Mix, but so far they have been spot on with my profile. I always say no animal print, no flare pants, no distressing on my pants. I don't know what else I said. No maxi dresses. Anyway, so far so good. So these pants are $24.99. $24.99. These are the, let's see, black. They're called the TRYON pants, T-R-I-N-A. And I just tell you that in case you wanted to, if you do get Nadine West, to go ahead and you can request things. But I'm not sure if they have the things in stock. I believe they'll go ahead and send them to you. But if they don't have them in stock, they obviously can't. All right, so I got another pair of pants. These are nice. They're just a straight leg blue pant. They're by the company Lemite, I don't know. So they are just nice blue pants. Do they have pockets? They do have pockets. They have pockets in the front, a nice wide waistband here. Very cute. And these are called the Erica pants, and they are also $24.99. So very cute. I will definitely give these a try on. All right. Go ahead and pull out my next little burrito here. Nice. I like what I'm seeing. I have to admit, I do cheat. the day before these arrive. So they usually arrive every other Friday. And by the way, you can pick every 2 weeks or once a month to get your shipments if you do subscribe to Nadine West. But I get them every other Friday. And so on Thursdays, every other Thursday, I can kind of go on the website and see what they're sending me. And I do cheat. I shouldn't, but I get too excited. I can't help it. So let me go ahead and show you. I just don't know, you know, when you look online, you really don't know like how the fabric's gonna feel, or, you know, the length on you or anything. And, you know, it's funny on Nadine West, they don't show a model wearing the clothes. They just show the clothes. So you can't really tell like how big it is or anything. So here is the sweater I was very much looking forward to. So it looks like it's a little bit of a high-low on the bottom, not much. It's got these kind of sleeves here. It's got, I don't know what they call this, a boat neck, you guys. I think that's what this is called, like a boat neck. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. And this sweater is, where's my little price list? Here it is. The Nina sweater, $32.99. So I hope it fits. I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of cute. All right, then I got another top here. This is just a basic like long sleeve tee. And it is by the company, Cole Story. C-O-L Story. And let's see how much this is. For this top, it's $19.99. It's very, very affordable, and it is called the Camae, C-A-M-A-E, Camae top is what they call it. So looking forward to trying this on. This would be like a great layering piece. Like if you had like a cardigan or something to put over it. I did get some jewelry here. This is called the Kathy necklace in silver. Let's see what this looks like. So it is, you know, I'm glad it's small. You guys, I keep getting these super long, big necklaces from Nadine West. So this is something I like when it's small like this. I like this a lot better than what they've been sending the jewelry. Let me see if I can put it on real quick. And if not, I will put you on pause and I will come right back. Oh, I think I got it. All right, so here it is. Very pretty. Goes with the other silver pieces that I have on. So very nice. I like it. All right, so this little necklace is called the Kathy necklace. Did I already say that? I'm not sure. And it's $34.99. And then I got this. Now, they call this a dress. It's very short for a dress. Did I put something else in here? It feels kind of heavy. No, just another bag to send stuff back that doesn't fit. So here is the dress. Now, when I was looking online, it looked rather short. In fact, I do believe I did see a model wearing this one. Come to think of it, because I remember thinking, wow, that's pretty short to be a dress. But it's like super pretty. So here it is here. What size did they send me? It looks kind of big. It is a small. So I love the fabric. I love the pattern. I love the sleeves. I hope it fits. It does. It looks like it zips all the way. Well, not all the way, but it zips to about here in the middle of your back. Has a zipper. And yeah, it is super cute. So I'm really happy with the dress. I hope it fits. But the dress cost $29.99, which is called the Bridget Shift Dress. And the brand is Wholesale Fashion Square. $30. It's really super cute. super cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this stuff on and I will be right back. Okay, so I did try on the dress first. I love it. I really love it. So let me see how far back I can get. I might just have to point my phone down and get my face out of the picture, which is fine with me. But here is the dress. It actually, I think, fits really well. It's not too short on me. You guys, I'm only 4'11", so it actually is a good length for me, I think. And I love the way it fits. It actually gives me some sort of a shape. And yeah, I really like it. I am so happy. I wish I had this when I went on my cruise. I just got back from a cruise. So yeah, I really like it. My dog is like chewing everything up. I'm gonna move everything. Let me move this out of the picture. All right. All right, I'm back. So here is the dress. I absolutely love this. I love the fabric. I love the looks of it. I like the sleeves, and this is the first dress since I started getting free shipments from Nadine West that I really, really think I am going to be wearing. You know, I used to subscribe to Nadine West too, so, you know, and pay for shipments, but as for the free items, so far this is the first dress that I really can say I really love. All right, so moving on. Okay, so here's the next two pieces. This shirt, skin tight, not a huge fan. I mean, it is really skin tight on me. You can see everything I don't want you to see, you can see. So I also put on the blue pants. Now my dogs are going crazy. We do have a visitor called a groundhog, and it keeps going in our backyard. And the dogs, as you can probably hear, are just going crazy. This is the second groundhog that we've gotten in the last like 6 months. So I don't really understand it. I might have to put you guys on pause until they kind of calm down, and then I'll continue. Okay, so let me go ahead and point the camera down and I'll show you the blue pants. Pants are nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. Don't look at that. That's what I meant to say. Don't look at that. Okay, well, here's the blue pants. Why am I getting all choked up? They are supposed to be, I believe, like at your ankle or a little above the ankle, but for me, they just fit like perfect length because I'm so short. So they are actually very nice. They fit great, and I'm really comfortable in them. Don't look at this. That's private. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try on the next two pieces. Okay, so here's the last two pieces. So the first thing is this sweater. Now it is kind of an off-the-shoulder sweater. You know, you can't really wear it like this because it keeps wanting to fall down. So if you're not comfortable wearing off the shoulder, it probably wouldn't be the sweater for you. So here's the sleeves on it. Let me point the camera down. So I don't know. I'm kind of not a huge fan of the sweater, but have to say it is super, super soft. Oh, I'm a huge fan of the material of the sweater, that's for sure. Okay, and here's the black pants. Let me go ahead and point the camera even further down there. So here are the black pants. They are super cute, super comfortable, and I really like these. So very excited about these. All right. So that was my try on. I already discussed all the prices with you. And everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you do want to join Nadine West, you get, I believe it's $25 off of your first box. I think you have to select, I don't know, 5 pieces in your box or something to get the $25 off. I'm not really too sure, but the link is in my description box, so please check it out if you're curious. And everyone, thank you so much for watching and have a great, great day. Bye.